Welcome back to Better Kansas City, and the whole goal with experience gift giving is creating memories together. And Holly Conklin Ellison of iFamily KC is here to explain how experiences are gifts that keep on giving, and we often talk about getting the hot gift of the year, but you kind of got a little bit different take on it, right?
Right. The hottest gift of the year that you can give is time with your family.
Okay.
Boom.
Boom.
Yes, boom.
Write it down.
Exactly.
Don't forget it.
That is the best gift. We can return socks and toys and electronics, but you can't take back time. So the whole goal is just to find things that inspire you to spend more time with your kids this year.
Okay. Well, you've brought a whole bunch of things here. What are some of these and what ideas do they give us for spending time with family?
So this is my first idea, and if my daughter is watching, earmuffs, because this is actually her gift.
Uh-oh.
In here I have 12 little boxes, and inside each box is a roll with a fun activity to do next year. So you can actually open this one. It'll be like Christmas morning.
Oh, okay. Oh, so this would be like...
So she'll open the box whenever she wants, but ideally once a month.
Yeah. Let's see here.
And then unroll it, and it'll say...
Go to Paradise Park.
Paradise Park. And it'll be a mystery even to me, because by May I will forget everything that I have written on
It's a surprise for everyone.
So in this, it's really all about doing something different. It's truly the gift that keeps on giving. And you spend time with your kids and do different things. There's jump passes to Sky Zone in here,
cool.
Paradise Park, a trip to the Kansas City Zoo. There's sporting events. There's tons of fun stuff packed into this box.
Awesome.
And she can open it periodically throughout the year. And one of the cool things about what's in this box is that we have partnered up with a program called Pogo Pass.
Okay.
And you can get all of these things for like $40 for the year.
Oh, so like a bunch of savings there.
A bunch of savings. You can find that on our website. There's info about that. But I used my Pogo Pass for all of these gifts because it saved me a whole lot of money.
All right. Well, I know you said you wanted to talk about the socks, so let's talk about the socks.
Yes. Another idea that I had for families is to do gift cards. And I know that people don't really like to do gift cards because they may seem impersonal, but I promise they're not. And also, you know, these are socks. So if the kids are like, socks for Christmas, yeah, but these are fun socks.
They are fun socks. They have little grip thingies on the bottom.
They do, and they get you access to the trampoline park with your gift card.
Oh, they're the jump. Oh, so you were talking about the jump park earlier, and these are the socks that you wear to it because you can't wear your normal street shoes there.
Exactly, and a lot of companies, including Above All, which is in Liberty, do gift card specials this time of year. So take advantage of that. A lot of times you can buy a gift card for somebody else and get free jump time or another gift card for yourself.
And you're talking about experiences. One of the things I wanted to mention here real quick is one of the things we do with our kids as an experience when they put together their Christmas list. We ask them for 4 things, like what do you want, what do you need, what's something you need, what's something you can wear, and what's something you can read. And so we always make them have those, and that's what Santa Claus gets for the list and what he tries to bring every year. So it's just one of those funner ways that we can try to do the same experience type thing that you're talking about here.
No, that's brilliant. At this time of year, anytime I buy something for Charlotte, I'm like, oh, you need a new sweater? I'm wrapping it for Christmas. So.
And real quickly, over here we got some board games and some other fun ways that we can spend more time with our family, right?
Absolutely. So if you're the type of family that wants something to open for Christmas, which I know a lot of people are, and I get it wholeheartedly, family games are the best option. King Domino is one of my personal favorite games. We play it multiple times a week. It's kind of sad. But it's a really fun game. It's kind of like dominoes, but the kids can get involved in it. And then there's some cooperative games if you've got little kiddos, and tons more options. US Toy is having a huge sale this weekend on games.
Oh, really?
So, yeah.
I noticed you don't have Monopoly up here. I don't know if your family's like our family.
Nope, we can't play it.
When you play Monopoly, it turns out to be more of a war than anything else. But anyway, we don't want wars with families across the holidays. So, well, thank you, Holly, for being here. Thank you for all these gift ideas. I really love the 12 boxes inside of that one. That's going to be a super fun idea to try with the kids this year.